Geeve. Hi everybody, I'm Shaw Breach and I just thought I would add a little video about how you ask how is the weather today, and that would make a lot of sense seeing as you know now how to describe the weather with basic phrases anyway. So if you remember how we say how are you, we say Caé mar atá tú, or we say Conas atá tú, or Ken Cui ina bhfuil tú. So all we're going to do is replace that little word at the end of each of those sentences, to, with the word for weather, which is an I'm sure. An I'm sure. So how is the weather? Caé mar atá an I'm sure. And if we want to say how is the weather today, we would say Caé mar atá an I'm sure inniu. Conas atá an I'm sure inniu. Or Ken cui ina bhfuil an I'm sure inniu. So those are three ways of asking the same question, and again it's just about which dialect you prefer. I will be probably sticking with the Donegal dialect of Caé mar atá and I'm sure inniu, how is the weather today? And I know that you can all answer that at this stage based on the previous lesson. So good luck with that. Slán go fóill.